Good morning, students. How are you all? I really hope you all are doing well at your home, staying healthy, safe, and paying very much attention to your studies also. So, dear students, if you recall, so on Monday in our Zoom meeting, right, we discussed all the laws. I think those all laws are now very much clear and learned to all of you. And we started the fourth worksheet and did it up to third question, fourth part. And that time I left the fifth part to be done in this video, right? So let us start our work then. I'll do a few of the parts from fourth and fifth question. Sorry, fourth question. And fifth question is quite new for you. So I'll do there 3 or 4 parts myself, right? So just try to observe and understand these things, right? So your third question, fifth part, right? Just see and observe it very carefully. 1 upon 2 raised to power 5 upon 1 upon 2 raised to power 3 minus 1 upon 2 raised to power 6 upon 1 upon 2 raised to power 5, right? Now dear students, you all know that this upon basically means division, isn't it? So just to make it more simpler, we will convert this upon form into division. So 1 upon 2 raised to 5 divided by 1 upon 2 raised to 3 minus in between this one, and then the second expression 1 upon 2 raised to 6 divided by 1 upon 2 raised to 5, right? And now according to Bodmer's rule, we all know that we have to do division first. And for division of rationals with power, what we do is, the bases are same of course, so the powers get subtracted, right? So like this we will do for both the expression. And now subtraction, 5 minus 3 2 minus 1 upon 2 6 minus 5 1, and generally we don't show the 1 power. आप इस step में लिख लो, next step में we will remove this one. Okay, now see here students, in between these two things, two rational numbers, we have the sign of subtraction now, and we know that there is no rule for solving subtractions, so here we have to expand them and then solve them. So 1 upon 2 raised to power 2 means 1 upon 2 by 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 2. Now since these are the rational numbers and you all know how to solve them, of course by taking LCM method. So your LCM is 4 divided by 4 1, 1 by 1 1 minus 4 divided by 2 2, 2 by 1 2. I did it directly because I taught you this thing lots of time in your previous chapter. So of course subtraction and sign used would be of bigger numbers, so it would become minus 1 upon 4, right? So like this you have to simplify it. इसमें सबसे important point जो हमने दिमाग में रखना है, we have to keep in mind is कि upon basically means division, and then we started using the laws and further calculations, right? So now let's come to our fourth question. In your fourth question you have to simplify these all expressions. So I'll just do two of the parts. Let me do first and third part, right? So your first part is 5 upon 7. As I am doing this first part now, same you have to do in your fourth part, right? So here your base is the single one and you do have the expression in our exponent. ठीक है, हमारा जो power है वो एक expression form में है. So we have to simplify the power itself, and we all know that according to Bodmer's rule we have to simplify the multiplication first, right? So 3 by 2 6, and 6 minus 6 is 0. So 5 upon 7 raised to 0, and we know that ki any rational number or any base, basically it can be integer or whole number or whatsoever, anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so this law we used here, right? Now see its third part. Its third part is, dear student, don't confuse this power 0 with the degree, okay? These zeros, these are the power zeros, exponents are the zeros, not your degree. Anyways, so like this, and we all know that anything raised to 0 is 1. So 1 raised to 0, 1, multiply 2 raised to 0, 1, plus 3 raised to 0, 1, multiply 4 raised to 0, 1, plus 5 raised to 0 1 and 6 raised to 0 1, right? And we all know कि of course we have to do the multiplication first. So 1 by 1 1, in between plus 1 by 1 1 plus 1 by 1 1. So 1 plus 1 is 3. Isn't it simpler? So like this you have to do the rest of the two parts, right? And now let's come to the fifth question. Dear student, before starting the fifth question, I'll tell you one more law. It is not directly the law, you can say. It is one of the results that you will use for solving such type of questions, and that is कि when the bases are same, right? For all the laws, your main condition is the bases are same, right? Now the relation is equality, right? And then if you have some power to those bases, so it implies means this is the given fact, and this fact gives you one next fact, and that fact given is कि if the bases are same, relation is equality, that implies or that gives कि powers should also be same. ठीक है, ये कोई इसका इक्वल टू नहीं है, इसकी कोई सॉल्विंग नहीं हो रहा है. ये क्या स्टेटमेंट है कि अगर ये वाली स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है आपके पास, then of course your second statement would always be true. Got my point? That is, if the bases are same, relation is equality, that gives, that implies कि powers भी equal ही होनी चाहिए, then only these statements would get true, right? And now for solving your fifth question, we would be using this statement over here. So just keep in it mind, okay? Now your fifth question. Question number 5. First part, I'll just start with the simpler parts, and then we will continue with the next ones. 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 upon 4 raised to power 3 raised to power 3 again, right? So this is our question. So here our first main motive should be to make both the sides with same basis, that we already see कि वो true है, and then we will simplify the expressions. अभी इस क्वेश्चन में आपको राइट साइड में यू कैन डू सर्टेन कैलकुलेशन, ठीक है, लेफ्ट आपका प्रिपेयर्ड है. इन सम ऑफ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन योर वेरिएबल कुड बी इन दिस साइड एंड यू हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई योर लेफ्ट साइड, राइट? तो वो डिपेंड करता है कि आपका किस टाइप से क्वेश्चन है. बेसिकली यू वट योर मोटिव इज यू विल जस्ट सॉल्व एनी साइड ऑफ द एक्सप्रेशन with the help of laws, of course, with the motive to get same basis on both the side with certain powers, right? And these powers could be numbers or some algebraic expression as we have here, right? And then what result we can use here is if the bases are same, then their power should always be same. और फिर उस power में you will get an linear equation and then you will solve it further, right? So anyway, just leave this theory. आप अच्छे से देखो कि इसे हम basically solve कैसे करना है, right? So here this left side is already simplified. So we need to simplify this one, and we know that कि when we have power raised to power, the powers get multiplied, right? So 3 upon 4 raised to power 3 multiply by 3, right? Now what we have here is 3 upon 4 raised to power 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 upon 4 raised to power 9. So dear students, after doing one or two such steps, your expression would get simplified. That is same base with some powers, right? And now as the bases are same, relation is equality. What result you can use here is कि अगर basis same है, equality है, that means your power should also be same. That is power at left hand side should be equal to power at right hand side. That is 2x plus 1 is equal to 9. So like this, now you will get the linear equation in x in terms of your power, and now you will solve it as a linear equation, and you all know how to simplify the linear equation, isn't it? That is better we do it by transpose method now. That is the shortcut method to simplify the linear equation. And as you recall कि whenever we shift the numbers equal to के लेफ्ट या राइट में जब हम नंबर शिफ्ट करते हैं, देयर ऑपरेशन गेट रिवर्स्ड, उनका जो ऑपरेशन है वो उल्टा हो जाता है. सो +1 वुड बिकम -1, राइट? सो 2x इक्वल टू 8. नाउ दिस 2 इज इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन, तो ये लेफ्ट में राइट में कैसे जाएगा? 8 upon 2. that is equal to cutting simple cuttings and then equal to 4, राइट. सो एक बार दोबारा आप लीनियर इक्वेशंस को कैसे सॉल्व करना है शॉर्टकट में वो भी एक बार दोबारा देख लो. नो डाउट वी डिड दिस थिंग्स इन आवर 6th स्टैंडर्ड ऑल्सो, बट देयर वी डिड द कंप्लीट चैप्टर बेस्ड अपॉन द बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ सॉल्विंग दिस लीनियर इक्वेशन. ठीक है, उसमें हम सेम ऑपरेशन बोथ द साइड करते थे विद सेम नंबर, राइट. अभी यहाँ पे हम डायरेक्टली ट्रांसपोज मेथड यूज़ कर रहे हैं वेयर our extra numbers will shift their sides, and when we shift the sides of the number their operation get reversed, right. So ये +1 था, जब राइट साइड पे गया -1 बन गया. 2x मतलब 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई एक्स, तो जब ये राइट साइड पे गया तो डिवीजन में आ गया अपॉन 2 बनकर. इज इट क्लियर? सो लाइक दिस वी हैव टू सॉल्व सच क्वेश्चंस. एक बार दोबारा देख लेंगे. वट एवर क्वेश्चन यू हैव, योर मेन मोटिव इज टू गेट इक्वल बेसिस, equality with some power, right. And the result we would use here is कि when the bases are same, equality is between them, then their power should also be same, right. And then we simplify our expressions, and after that we will get our powers to be equal. That gives us the simple linear equation for our powers. Then we will solve them as a linear equation. Okay. So let me do one more part, थोड़ा आपको और क्लैरिटी हो जाएगा. So see your third part now. -1/5 raised to power 20 divided by -1/5 raised to 15 is equal to -1/5 raised to power 5x, right. So now dear students, you can easily see कि our right hand side is simplified. But we can further simplify this left hand side, isn't it? And for that we know that if we have the same basis, relation is division, so our powers get subtracted. So 20 minus 15, और right side आपको already simplified है, so keep it as it is. And then what you have at last is 1 minus 1/5 raised to 5 is equal to -1/5 raised to 5x, right. So like this we need to first simplify expression. किस मोटिव के साथ कि ultimately we should have same basis with equality with certain power, right. And now we can directly use the result कि that if the bases are same then their power should also be same. So 5x is equal to 5x, and now we solve it by transpose method. That is 5/5, and value of your x gets to be 1. So isn't it easy, right? So like this we have to solve for the variable in our power. ठीक है, अगर पावर में हमारे पास वेरिएबल है x y z है, कोई भी वेरिएबल वी कैन यूज, इजंट इट. तो उनको हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, दिस इज द कंसेप्ट. सो लेट मी शो यू वन मोर पार्ट, क्योंकि ये आपके लिए भी थोड़ा बिल्कुल नया कंसेप्ट है. सो ओनली वन पार्ट आई लीव फॉर यू पीपल, राइट. सो सी योर फोर्थ पार्ट नाउ. Your fourth part is 1/16 multiplied by 1/2 raised to power 2 is equal to 1/2 raised to power 3 x minus 2. Dear students, while solving this particular part, just take care of 2-3 new things, right? So first of all, अभी सबसे पहले देखते ही क्वेश्चन देखते ही the very first thing came to your mind should be कि भैया अभी बेस तो सेम नहीं है. Everywhere we have it should be 1/2. एवरीवेयर वी हैव 1/2, मगर यहाँ पे तो 16 है, तो इसे हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल प्राइम फैक्टराइज इट एंड ट्राई टू राइट डाउन दिस 16 एज द पावर ऑफ 2 इटसेल्फ, राइट. सो 16/2 8/2 4/2 2/2 1, right. So this 16 can be easily written as 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2, that is 2 raised to 4, isn't it? So now we will use this expression for 1/16 here, and we know that कि 1 की तो हम कोई भी पावर कर दें, it hardly matter, 1 raised to any power is 1 itself. So this 1/16 can be written as 1/2 raised to power 4, isn't it? और ये काम हमें करना क्यों पड़ा, just to make our bases same, क्योंकि हमारे bases same होंगे तभी हम केवल अपने laws use कर सकते हैं, right? So like this our question gets simplified now. So is this first step clear to everybody, right? What we did here is कि आप जैसे ही क्वेश्चन देख रहे हो वैसे ही एकदम से ही आपको नज़र आ रहा है कि बेसिस तो डिफरेंट हो गए, ठीक है, एंड वी कांट यूज एनी लॉ फॉर द डिफरेंट बेसिस. So for that sake we will convert this 16 into power of 2. Why power of 2? Because rest of the numbers are given to be 1 upon 2 form, isn't it? So we prime factorize 16, convert it into power of 2, and now we will use the laws over here. So now we get the same basis, relation multiplication, so the powers would get added, right? So 1 upon 2, 3 bracket x minus 2, and now what we have here is the bases are same, relation is equality, so the power should also be same. Bases same, relation equality, that gives us, that implies us कि अगर bases same है तो powers भी same होनी चाहिए. तो 6 is equal to 3x minus 2, right? So अभी linear equation frame हो गया powers के लिए, exponents के लिए, right? And now to solve this type of equation, dear students, again I am repeating कि हमने 6th standard में भी किया था. So please do it carefully. अभी यहाँ पे bracket है आपके पास, ठीक है. So the step I taught you in your previous class also was the distributive property. याद है कि जो भी ब्रैकेट के बाहर नंबर है वो अपने ब्रैकेट वाले सभी नंबर्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, and then we will start the transpose method, right? तो 6 is equal to 3 multiplied by x 3x minus 3 multiplied by 2 6. Is this step clear to everyone? The distributive property, ब्रैकेट के बाहर वाला नंबर अंदर सभी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा. सो 3 बाई एक्स 3x, बीच में माइनस था तो माइनस 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 6, राइट. एंड नाउ वी विल यूज द ट्रांसपोज मेथड. तो भी -6 जब शिफ्ट होगा सो इट्स साइन वुड गेट चेंज ऑफ कोर्स. सो 6 ये वाला 6 है, राइट, और ये वाला 6 जब इधर आएगा तो +6 होकर आएगा, इज इक्वल टू 3x. सो 6 + 6 12 इज इक्वल टू 3x. एंड नाउ अभी हमें x यहीं रखना है एंड 3 वुड गेट ट्रांसपोज टू डिनोमिनेटर. सो 12/3 सिंपल कटिंग्स and your x comes out to be 4, right? So like this we have to solve for variable in power. exponent में अगर पावर में अगर आपके पास वेरिएबल है तो उसको कैसे सिंप्लीफाई करना है, दैट इज द मेथड, राइट. सो बेसिकली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू जस्ट डू योर सिंपल कैलकुलेशन to get the same basis both the sides. Then if the bases are same, their power should also be same. Then you simply get a one linear equation framed, ठीक है, and then solve that linear equation with the concept of transpose method. और transpose method का क्या आपको main point याद रखना है कि while transposing the sign of number get reversed, right? So dear students, I really hope this much is sufficient for today. Only 2 or 3 parts are left for you. So I really hope you will do this work in your fair notebook. And yes, the 6th question, the next one is your true and false. So try to do that at your own, right? और अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा तो we will definitely discuss it later on. So complete your work up to 4th worksheet in your fair notebook, right? So that much is sufficient. So just take care, stay healthy, and thank you.